Hey, okay, all right. So I just tried out Meta's AI models. I've only tried out two of it, so let's look at the paper. So the paper that just came out is this. So let's just look at it. This is the paper that came out. So they extended three of these models. They made three models. So ASR, so that's speech recognition, language identification, LID, and text to speech, TTS, to 1100 languages, so 1107 languages. So for Kadazandusun, they've tried, they did three of these, but I've only tried so far the speech recognition and the text to speech. I've tried the text to speech with their Google Colab notebook, and it was actually surprisingly well. It was great, actually. It didn't take that long to generate, and the output is actually reasonably, it's actually pretty good. So, but for speech recognition, I had trouble doing that. So with the Colab notebook that they provided at their GitHub page, it didn't run, it had problems. And they were recommending to use the Transformers, Hugging Face Transformers API. I used that, it worked, but for some reason the output, the transcription was just really bad. I thought it was just that, because there isn't a lot of training data for Kadazandusun, so I just accepted it. But then someone made this guy made an API. This is not the Hugging Face Transformers. This is from someone else, unrelated to Meta, Easy MMS. So I used this, but yesterday it had a bug somewhere, but it was fixed quickly, and I tried it. So this is running on CPU, and it took about almost 25 gigabytes of the system RAM, the free system RAM. And for a 16-second audio sample, it took 11 minutes. Yeah, it took 11 minutes. And so I used my own sample, and technically this is not really testing, because I was reading from the same data set, which is like the New Testament. So let's just hear this.
Kantakay no do tinimongan disido onontok do monompuan. Ompoeng kalaja isido do kalaja padri do itumbangan do kinoingan. Diontok kopihit isido do ponimputan tumanud do kaubasanan don padri.
So that I tried to make it more obvious. I tried to mimic the narration style that the testing data, because I just want it to I just want to see if it gets a really good transcription. So this is the human transcription that I did. Actually, I just copied it from the New Testament. So this is it. Kanta kay no do tinimongan blah blah blah. This isn't the one that it came up with. This was another audio sample that I did, but it was just from this alone. These aren't Dusun words at all. It was completely garbled. But then I just tested using the ASR model, but I used someone else's API, like I said, and this is the transcription that it came up with. So it's completely accurate. Not completely accurate, actually. For example, I said kinoingan. Kinoingan, there shouldn't be an H here. So it transcribed it as kinohingan, but it's actually kinoingan. And kopihid, I'm not sure if it's there, kopihid, because kopihid actually means, kopihid means to wipe, but I said kopihi. Kopihi means to choose, so that's one letter wrong. But everything else is just correct. So kanta kay no do tinimuan disido nontok do monompuan ompoeng kalaja. So it does put the sigot there, which is the glottal stop. So that's correct. Poeng kalaja isido do kalaja padri do tidumbangan do kinoingan diontok kopihi. Kopihi, there should be a sigot there instead of the D. Isido do ponimputan tumanud do kaubasanan don padri. So but this is actually really good, given the fact that there isn't actually much training data for Kadazandusun. So I'm looking forward to seeing more progress in indigenous language representation in machine learning. So that's it.